guys, welcome back. It's your girl Shamira, and today we are going to be reviewing items that all members can choose for their summer box. And I have a special code for you guys, so make sure you stick around to the end so that you can use it on your summer box. All right, so coming in hot, first things first, it's the Lasting Smiles Sea Salt and Citrus Candle. You guys know I'm a candle expert, a scent expert, and this one I'm so excited about because I have to get ready for the smell test. Okay. I actually can already smell it. Okay, so I would say this smells very citrusy. It smells like you're at a beach, but like what you wish beaches smelled like. The movie beach. Yeah, it smells amazing. I feel like it's also a smell that's not so overpowering. It's just like a really, really nice, fresh, sea salty citrus scent. Also, the packaging on this is really cute, really clean. It would look good like in your kitchen, on your counter. You know it's good if I keep smelling it also. Like, I've smelled it like 50 times. I really can't get enough. All right, so next we have the Illamasqua Gel Sculpt. The packaging again, super sleek. They come in different colors, silhouette, shadow, and outline. I really like to use contour sticks because you can just like paint them on your face and walk out and really stun people. So super excited about these, and also they're a perfect size for putting in your bag if you think that you'll have to like touch up your makeup throughout the day, or if maybe you're going from work to going out, day to night, you know, you can just have these with you and like touch up. So super excited about these. Okay, so I'm super excited about these. As you guys know, because I talk about it in literally every video, I'm getting married this summer. So if you can relate to this, let me know in the comments. But literally for any event, like any big thing I have going on in my life, I will without a doubt wake up with a pimple the morning of. Like, it's how it happens. It's my curse. So this will reduce redness and help promote healing for any pimples that you might have pop up unexpectedly that we need to get rid of. You just wash your face, wash your hands, dry your face, put it on, and then that's it. Also, because you're covering this, it protects your skin from any like external dirt or oils or anything like that. You're gonna be protected with this patch. So healing, reduces redness, protects your skin, win-win-win. You're gonna look amazing, sweetie. You're doing great, sweetie. Also, it comes with 72 patches, so you have 72 opportunities to heal your pimples, which we love, and it's necessary if you're me. And next up we have the Whish Rose Hip and Lotus Firming Sleep Mask. This is an overnight mask that's gonna revive your skin as you sleep. Before bed, you're gonna apply it to your face and your neck, and when you wake up, well, that's really all that you have to do. Wash it off. All you have to do is put it on, sleep, and wake up. Okay, so like we talked about before in the previous customized video, my fiance has no skincare routine. He literally has used hand soap for his face before, and I'm very committed to getting him a skincare routine. So I think this would be the perfect one because you literally just put it on, go to sleep, wash it off. If you know anyone in your life who has no skincare routine, like get them on this one, just do it. So those are all the new products that you can choose in this category, but here are some past favorites that you can also choose. All right, you guys, that is it for this category, and the code that you can use to get $10 off your first box is Close Up. So be sure that you use that, and be sure that you subscribe, you like, comment below what you want to choose for the box. And have you ever thought, like, I have a feeling that I missed a FabFitFun customized video or a FabFitFun video in general? If you've thought that before, turn on your post notification, the little bell, and you'll be alerted every time we post. All right, you guys, thank you so much again for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye.